So guys, today we are going to learn about the BODMAS rule. I uploaded a shorts also on the full form of BODMAS. It's bracket, order, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. But still many of the children do face a problem in this solving how to do BODMAS. So I'm going to solve a question and I'll tell you the way of doing it. Okay. So let us take an example. For example, I'm having 20 plus bracket 3 multiply bracket 2 plus 4 bracket close divided by 3 bracket. Okay, I'm going to tell you about different type of brackets also and where to use in a different video. So now first step according to the BODMAS is bracket. So first step is to solve the bracket. Now I have two brackets over here. Which one first? The inside bracket. Okay, you will always start from inside. Okay, so I'm having this round bracket inside, so I'll solve it first. अंदर कुछ भी ऑपरेशन हो सकता है बट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस फर्स्ट सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट 20 प्लस ब्रैकेट दिस इज कॉल्ड रेक्टेंगुलर ब्रैकेट और ओके or you can say the square bracket, box bracket, different names. 3 multiply by, now this become 2 plus 4 6 divided by 3 bracket close. Okay, one bracket has been removed. Now the second step will be to remove the other bracket, that is this. Okay, square brackets. So what I will do is अब इसके अंदर I am having multiplication as well as division. Now according to the BODMAS, first step is to do the division. So I'll do division first. 6 divided by 3. So this will remain as it is. 6 divided by 3 is 2 bracket again because अभी ये solve नहीं हुआ है. Then 20 plus 6 multiplied by 2 is 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, bracket will be removed, and now 20 plus 6 26. Now this was easy. Now the next type of question which I want to do right now is, let's take another example. This is example number 2. Okay, it says 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 minus 3 plus 5 multiply by 4. All the 4 operations are here. Multiplication, division, addition and subtraction are called the 4 operation in maths. So we are having all the 4 operation over here. So first I'll do the division according to the BODMAS. There is no bracket. Okay, so we'll move to division now. So I'll divide. Here I can see division. You can also make arrows like this for your better understanding. So 2 multiply will remain as it is. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Minus 3 will remain as it is. Plus 5 will remain as it is. Multiply by 4 will remain as it is. Now I'm having two questions of multiplication over here. So I can do both in the one step only. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, minus 3 will remain as it is, plus this 2 will get multiplied. Okay, ये add नहीं हो रहे हैं, sorry, ये इनको आप बाद में करोगे. First you will multiply. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. Now the children do face the problem like what to do next. Now here we have two ways of solving it. Okay, here we have two ways of solving it. I'm going to solve by both the methods. Okay, two ways of solving it. Now whenever your division and multiplication is done, the next step is of addition and subtraction. Now what we have learned till now, like first we need to add and then we need to subtract. Okay, but the actual BODMAS says after you have done your bracket, order, division and multiplication, then you can add or subtract whatever comes first from left to right. Okay, from left to right, whatever come first you need to do that. So here my subtraction is coming first, so I will do subtraction. Plus 20, so my answer is 21. or अगर आपको ये नहीं समझ में आता है, you face problem in this, so what you can do, you can rearrange it and you can write all the positive number first. Now always see the sign in front of the number. Here there is no sign, that means positive. Here we are having a negative sign and here we are having a positive sign. So that means my 4 and 20 are positive numbers and this is my negative number. Okay, so it will, how can I rearrange? I can rearrange 4 plus 20 I can write first if you want to do addition, and then I can write minus 3. Okay, when I add these two first it become 24 minus 3, answer is 21. Can you see the answer is coming same in both the cases? So you can do whatever you want to do. If you want to move from left to right, that is also absolutely correct. If subtraction is coming first, do subtraction first. Okay, and then add. But if you think no, I want to do addition first according to the rule, so you can do that also. So 4 plus 20, this is positive, no sign in front of it, that means it's positive. Plus 4 plus 20, I'm going to add them and then I'll subtract minus 3. In both the cases you will get the same answer.